I'm really excited to be a part of the whole process of opening a new, huge hospital in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Because everything would just fill in for you with the spreadsheets that Pat Weaver has done for us in managerial accounting. And I actually took that to an interview with UPMC that I had a couple months ago, and they loved it. They said I blew them away. No one else at any other college had experience like that with Microsoft Excel, and it's just really paid off for me so far, and I'm really excited to know all of that. Right now I'm executive board for Juniata Activities Board, which is one of the largest clubs here on campus. We have $100,000 to plan most of the student activities, and we plan Mountain Day, Madrigal, all the big traditions at Juniata. And I've really been able to work hands-on with the students to really get them to expand their leadership and really connect with the other students so we can plan great events here at Juniata. And I think it'll pay off communication skills, and it'll just be good for them in the future as they go towards the workforce. I interviewed against top schools in Pittsburgh, Carnegie Mellon, Penn State, Pitt, Ohio University, and in the end of the day, none of the other schools had the experience that we did in the classroom, so it all pays off being a student at Juniata. In time, I've really learned to be more mature, to be task-oriented, and with all the hands-on experience here at Juniata, they really are making you task-oriented to know what you want to do in the future and really help you in every aspect that you can. Career Services gives so many opportunities for students to succeed in that aspect, and with their help, I found my dream internship, and I'm really excited to pursue that this summer.